That's awesome. Thanks, man. Right hand drive. Steve right there. Is it back here? Steve was back there. Oh, that would be amazing, actually. And nothing like the sound of a good 427, man. Oh, yeah. Man. That's a true 427 right there. We should have some more of these. But watch this. You can tell the distinct sound. As soon as he turned it on, everybody knows. Look at that. Oh yeah. We'll have some more. Stay tuned. Oh man. Beautiful. Thank you. So is this a kit car or is this an original?
This is a road race car built by Backdraft Racing South Africa. They build the chassis and the frame there. They build the bodies there. They mount the bodies. They put the spindles on them to make it a rolling chassis. Then they load them on a ship. They bring them to Backdraft Racing USA.
Okay.
And then in Backdraft Racing USA, right outside of Miami, they finish the cars.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
So this is the 65 Classic race car.
Ooh. It's
won the Road Race Championship in 65.
Really? All right.
And this color is Guardsman Blue and one with the white stripes.
Fantastic.
It's got the true knockoff.
I did see that. I did see that.
You jack it up, just lift the car.
Where's that?
With the quick jack.
So how does that work? There's a.
They got a rack with a wheel under it. They just roll underneath it, push it down, and lift the whole car up.
Oh, that's what that is.
The front or the back.
I was always wondering why.
Ford versus Ferrari.
Yeah.
You see them raise the car like that.
Okay. Man, it's. I appreciate you bringing it out. It's such a beautiful car.
Thank you. Very good.
Oh, and your name was?
Bill Stamen.
Bill Stamen.
Bill Stamen. That's my wife, Jonna.
Hello. How are you doing? Pleasure meeting y'all.
She's the owner.
Let's see. That's beautiful. Thank you once again. Take care. How you doing? Camaros. We gotta see that one next. Yeah. The rest of the car yet, with all these little features that the car has, you can tell they put some work into it, smooth everything out. This paint and color is just phenomenal. These wheels, nice wheel woods on there. Wow, man. For those Camaro fans out there, man, I think you'd enjoy this. Look at that. Everything's tucked real nice. Wow. It's like the more I look, the more things I find with this. I mean, all of the custom bracing, looks like all those are made to match all that. Functional call induction. Look at those mirrors. These mirrors are sweet. Almost everything is touched and customized on this car. That headliner is beautiful. Look at that. It must be a custom dash.
Oh, sorry.
That is pretty cool, actually. Nice car. How you get that with that? Sounds pretty good, actually. Get this shit out. That sounds good, doesn't it?
What year should I?
67.